you've already attended one of our training programs, perhaps something like the Facilitators Workshop, you will be ready for one of our more advanced training offerings. And we're really excited that we have a couple of online training possibilities to introduce to you now. So Maria is going to describe what those are. Both Maria and I facilitate these training experiences.
So here's what we hear all the time from people who finish our facilitators workshops, that they would like to have more experience and training in how to design and debrief effective tests of the big assumptions. So we're really excited to offer an opportunity that, to you so that you can learn to do just that. Starting in July and going over 4 weeks, we're going to pull together a group of people who have already completed the Facilitators Workshop and who would like to learn more about test design. And what we're going to do is to help you, to help your clients to identify powerful big assumptions in column 4, and then also to look for related big assumptions so that you can see the network of assumptions that creates a mindset for your clients. Then we're going to be able to, we're going to show you how you can design tests that are targeted, specific, and will generate data that you and your client can use together to move forward and overturn the immune system that's held them back from making the changes that they need. So that will be for 4 weeks starting in July 1st. It may be also that what interests you is taking your immunity to change skills that you've been using with individuals or with teams using who have individual goals into a setting in which you look at or you help your client to identify a collective immune system, a collective mindset that's holding a whole team back, for instance, from affecting a change that they need to make. And if you're interested in that, you may want to join us for online ITC with Teams Day, which will take place twice, on June 13th and also on November 20th. In this setting, Deb and I will lead you through an online version of our very popular ITC with Teams Day, in which we will use a case of a coaching company that needs to look at their own resistance to change. And you'll have the opportunity not only in real time to help a team to identify their immune system, to move through the map and make sure that you're generating map entries that are going to be really useful, but also to see how the dynamics in a room can present us very particular challenges to a facilitator who's doing this work. Deb and I will be leading this workshop. We're delighted because we've had the opportunity to do this now in a lot of different places, and we're looking forward to sharing it with you.
Thank you so much for being part of our global community. We're really excited to see you again. We're hoping you'll sign up for one of these trainings so that we can continue to work together.